In Cardiff, we have a few ways of saying hello.
Schmai way?
Hiya.
All right.
How's it going?
However you say it, saying hello can be the first step to an encounter that could change your mind, your idea, even your life. At Creative Cardiff, we've been bringing people together to say hello for 10 years. We've connected Cardiff's rich diversity of talent through events, activities and opportunities, nurturing new creative communities across the city. We've collaborated purposefully with industry, academics and policymakers to deliver projects that enable and amplify the creative economy. We've helped to tell the creative story of Cardiff and the region by spotlighting businesses, freelancers and organisations through our network. We'll continue to work to be a collective voice for a creative community that's inclusive, connected and understood. That champions a city where creativity thrives in every corner, where gathering together can spark a little bit of magic, and where saying hello can change everything.